In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to reply to comments in Trello boards step by step. If you're collaborating with a team, managing clients, or tracking projects inside Trello, knowing how to properly respond to comments on cards is essential for keeping communication clear and organized. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly where to find comments, how to reply to them, and how to make sure your response is saved correctly. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Trello tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Trello. You can do this by heading to Trello.com and logging into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Trello home screen where you can see your workspaces and boards. From here, click on Boards to view all the boards available to you. Choose the specific board where the card with the comment is located. After opening your selected board, look through your lists to find the card that contains the comment you want to reply to. Cards are where all the task details, attachments, and discussions live. Once you've identified the correct card, click on it to open it. This will expand the card and display all of its details. Inside the card view, scroll down until you see the Activity section. This is where all comments, updates, and actions related to the card are displayed. The Activity section shows a timeline of communication, making it easy to follow conversations and project updates. Now, locate the specific comment you want to reply to. Under each comment, you'll see options such as Edit, Delete, and Reply. Click on the Reply option directly beneath the comment. This ensures your response is connected to that specific message, keeping the conversation organized and easy to follow. After clicking Reply, a text box will appear. Type your response clearly and professionally. If needed, you can mention a team member using the @ symbol followed by their name to notify them directly. This is especially useful when you need someone's attention or input on a task. Once you've finished typing your reply, double-check your message for clarity and accuracy. When you're ready, click the Save button. Your reply will now appear directly under the original comment, maintaining a structured conversation thread within the card. And that's it. You've successfully replied to a comment inside a Trello board. This simple feature helps keep all communication centralized within each task, reduces confusion, and improves team collaboration. Whether you're managing client commissions, internal projects, or daily to-do lists, replying directly within Trello keeps everything documented in one place. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy Trello guides and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.